Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to add sticker in TikTok comments. So many of you have been asking me the same question, so today I decided to answer that question. So all you have to do here is to log into your TikTok, click on the search icon found at the top right corner, click on sticker or dancing sticker, any of them. I would like to make use of a dancing sticker, so that's what I'm going to be using on the dancing sticker. But you can just type in sticker and get any sticker of your choice. Always remember that stickers have kind of animation with them. So right here, all you have to do is to click on a particular video you want to take a sticker from, click on the comment section. So what you have to do here is to click steadily on the particular kind of sticker that you need, click on the save to favorite. Having done that, you go back to your home page. So right here on my home page, all I have to do is to click on the comment section of the person I want to send a sticker to, click on the second icon here. Now you're going to see the favorite that you just saved. You just have to scroll, select the particular favorite that you just saved now, and you can add your comment if you choose to, and click on the arrow, the red arrow, so you can see I was able to send a sticker to this TikTok comment. So guys, that's it on how to add sticker in TikTok comments. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.